everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. As you can see, this is a beautiful sunny day. The weather's warm. Summer is officially here. Summer means classic cars. It's time to get those classic cars out, bring them to the car show. Doesn't matter if it's finished or not, get your car out there, get it back on the road. It's fun. Okay, it's also grilling season. Of course, everybody likes to throw a steak on the grill, have some burgers, maybe some hot dogs. What if we combine classic cars and grilling hot dogs? Huh? Does that sound crazy? Am I crazy? Anyways, let's combine classic cars and grilling hot dogs. Probably not in the way you're thinking. All right. How about we grill hot dogs inside of your classic car? All right. Sounds like an awesome idea. Perfectly safe. Never any fires. Okay. So this is the Car BQ. This is a legitimate product. This was probably made in the mid-1950s. It's labeled as 6 volt. 12 volt was also available. So the mid-50s were right at the time when 12 volt was kind of coming into fashion, becoming the norm. But this was also available in 6 volt for the numerous millions of 6 volt cars still around. So what you did, now this is new old stock. This has never been used. I'll show some close-ups of this box and the artwork in a little bit. This is the Car BQ. Plugs right into your cigarette lighter. You got 2 holes here, 2 tubes. You slide your frankfurters right into the hole just like that, and you fold your buns over top. So you plug this in. The heating element roast your weenies and toast your buns at the same time. And now this is a built-in grease catcher for all them delicious juices out of your plump roasting hot dogs. You don't want to get that on the interior of your car. You don't want to start a fire, so you got to be careful with this. Now, I'm not actually going to use this. This is one of these very interesting, totally unique car accessories that you're probably not going to see anywhere else. So if you ever go to car shows, you're looking inside, you know, some people have dolls and whatever, you know, you might have a Groucho Marx doll for DeSoto, because he pitched DeSoto cars. There would be a Roadrunner doll in a Roadrunner car. There'll be drive-in movie theater speakers hanging on the window, whatever. People like to put that stuff in their cars. Well, if you throw one of these on your dashboard, nobody's going to know what the heck it is. People are going to ask, hey, what's that thing on the dashboard? I don't know. For cooking your weenies. What else? So it's pretty cool. This will be the talk of the car show. Now, you may need one of these. In fact, I know you do, but you're probably not going to find them. They're quite rare. I can't imagine why it didn't catch on. I mean, cooking inside of your car seems perfectly normal. But anyways, this is it. This is cool. I wanted to show it to you. I know you've probably never seen anything like it. I think it's cool. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. All right, so here it is, the wonderful Car BQ. Look at the graphics on this box. See the wieners right there with your buns toasted on it? The unique hot dog barbecue unit for your auto. Satisfy hungry appetites during long auto trips. There's Dad driving the car and Mom's cooking on the dashboard as they go down the road. Of course. Fishing, picnics, beach. Well, of course. The Carbecue for all your car barbecuing needs. At the drive-in theater. Yes, the drive-in theater. Let's open this up and take a look. Don E. Bailey and Associates, Los Angeles. Distributed by Carbecue Company. So like I had said, this is new old stock. It has never been used. Get this. There we go. The Carbecue. So there is your plug-in for the cigarette lighter. Put it in there. Starts your heating elements warming up in here. And you stick your wieners right in there. And they cook. The juices run out onto your drip tray. And your bun toasts right on top. It has these little tabs right here to hold the bun into place. So it's kind of a nifty idea, kind of a dangerous thing, but still pretty cool. I would imagine this whole thing, there's nothing insulating it on the bottom. So I would think you could melt your, if you had a padded dash, you could melt the vinyl on the dash. That would be wonderful. Very well thought out. Of course, at this time, a lot of the cars in the 1950s, they had metal dashboards. So, but very dangerous, very interesting little hot dog cooker. So it's never been used. I am not going to use it because I want to keep this nice. I don't want to have it full of hot dog funk, all kinds of grease all over the place, but it will make a real neat display. So let's take a look at the instructions here if we can. Woohoo. Your Carbecue provides instant snacks for travelers, salesmen, hunters, fishermen, children, picnickers, and all hungry motorists. Drive-in moviegoers. Use on boats, too. Wow. Almost as if it's good for any human that likes to eat. Wow. The hot dog cooking unit is easy to operate, serves sizzling hot dogs 2 at a time in 7 minutes or less, and warms buns simultaneously. Just plug into cigarette lighter, hailed as the most remarkable extra since the auto radio. Well, for sure it is. Your Carbecue is manufactured by Don E. Bailey and Associates of blah, 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 Los Angeles, California. When operating your Carbecue, first place unit on the glove compartment door. There you go, glove compartment door with all your papers and stuff in there. Plug cord into cigarette lighter. Insert hot dogs 1 or 2 at a time as desired. Cooking time for first 2 is 7 minutes. Hot dogs should be turned occasionally with your burning fingers. No, with a fork. A cocktail fork. After the first 2 hot dogs, cooking time is cut to 4 minutes or less. Cooking tubes are made out of aluminum. Remainder of unit is finest plating steel and chrome plated. With proper care, your barbecue will give many years of excellent service. There's your warranty. For 90 days. I'll have to check my receipt. It may have been over 90 days. Important notice. Uh-oh. You are the new proud owner of a sensational barbecue. This revolutionary auto accessory is the greatest thing that ever happened to a hot dog. Operation is simplicity plus. Plug into your cigarette lighter and the cooking tubes will start to heat up in 1.5 to 2 minutes. Note, in the event of cooking tubes fail to heat within 2 minutes, remove the plug from cigarette lighter receptacle and with a coarse cloth on the end of your finger, wipe off the burnt cigarette ashes from the bottom of the receptacle. Well, of course. Replace plug into receptacle and check for heat. Place your hot dogs and buns in position, and within 7 to 8 minutes, you will have 2 of the finest tasting hot dogs. In fact, a taste sensation never before experienced. Additional pairs of hot dogs will cook in their own sizzling juices in 4 minutes or less in your own motorized kitchen. Well, heck yeah. Look to Barbecue of Los Angeles for continued revolutionary accomplishments in the auto accessory field, such as the instant car bomb. Burst your car into flames. Anyhow, remember, the unit you have purchased is for use in a 6-volt system only. If in doubt, check with your local service station as to the voltage of your car's electrical characteristics. So this was a magnificent success for the barbecue company. Don, whoever he is, I'm sure became a multi-millionaire, and they're everywhere in every car now. So that's your look at the fabulous car BQ for all your summertime classic car cookout needs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.